All right, you want to give them a rundown of what we're doing to this, what your plan is?
We are taking it apart to put it back together.
Oh.
And then take it apart again, we'll probably break it. Anyways.
Let's go show them what you bought.
We're doing some eBay gaskets.
Oh.
Nice evergreen. Never heard of it, but looks pretty nice. All gaskets and seals.
And head gasket.
Yep.
Yeah.
Got head bolts, water pump. Got the new clutch and flywheel kit over there.
Cool.
Mounts are inside the house. And intake manifold.
What's your time frame? And the car time frame.
This weekend.
All right, you guys heard it. He said in this video, we're putting it in the car. So I'm gonna set you guys up on a tripod, and with his permission, I will tag team and help him take this thing apart.
Of course.
All right.
I don't trust anybody else too.
And yeah, after all that said and done, he's gonna companion this motor with a EM1 B16A2 transmission, 5-speed. Let's see, this doesn't have LSD, does it? I can't remember. Nope.
I think so.
Non-LSD. Upon inspection here, the motor looks fairly clean. There's no sludge or anything built up inside.
Yeah.
There's a little bit of sludge. Not crazy. I've seen worse, is what I'm getting at. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull these cam caps off now. Well, actually, we gotta pull the time belt off. My bad. All right, I wanted to show you guys this real quick, and it's probably not gonna work because I'm recording. So if it works or not, I'm gonna put it in this video. So I'm gonna show you guys. It's a 19 mil, right? This is a standard impact socket. Okay, nothing crazy. Just a little PT standard Harbor Freight 19 mil socket. Now, every time I've tried to do this off camera, it does not crack this bolt off. Okay, so it cracked the bolt off. Oh man, every time I try to show someone my new tool. For those of you who wanted to know, this is a 19 mil weighted socket. It's a snap-on tool. This thing is a beefy girl. Now, compared to the standard socket, this is much larger in scale. The reason why it's so big is because it throws more rotating mass into the knock of the impact gun. And like I said, these crank pulley bolts are a pain to get off, so. All right, guys. We were told at the junkyard when we bought the motor that it was in because of a blown head gasket. I'm not personally seeing anything that states that it actually had a blown head gasket. We could pop the drain plug off and see if this engine's full of coolant or if it's milky oil. Oh, yeah. Gonna have my son here film real quick for you guys.
Other than being old, it doesn't really
look bad. I'm just not seeing any signs of blown head gasket.
Yeah.
I think this motor's in better shape than we thought it was. Alright, so it's been a little while since our last update. And we have resealed the front cover, we've done the front main seal. We did the water pump and the new water pump gasket. You step around over here too, you can somewhat see. Installed the new rear main and resealed the rear main cover as well. And we just barely finished cleaning up the head surface, the deck. So we got that all cleaned up. Everything's looking real good. How's this going?
Good.
So yeah, I think that's all we've done so far, right? I think we're making good time, all things considered. checking in with you guys one more time, probably before we go ahead and wrap it up. Junior tapped out. It's 1 a.m. He's getting ready to go to bed right now. But I told him I'm gonna stay out and finish a couple more things up real quick, just so we can be that much further along tomorrow. So currently where we stand, we got the cams torqued. Cam caps are all torqued down. Got all the Honda Bond sealed up inside the cam caps. Got this brand new plug installed. Everything's looking real nice. I'm gonna go ahead and do the timing belt real quick and probably tap out for the night. I'm getting pretty tired. Oh, brother. Yeah. So you spent a total of like, what, 4 hours cleaning off the intake manifold surfaces?
Yep.
That's record time. Hey, at least it wasn't like my old Integra where we had to do it inside the car. Oh, that sucked. Got the intake manifold bolted up with fresh gasket, thanks to this fellow. Distributor's installed. Where does that leave us? Oil pan.
Yep.
Gonna time lapse the oil pan and go from there. Alright guys, we're at the point of build where we're getting ready to drop this engine off of the stand. We're going to set it down on the floor, install the clutch and flywheel, mate the transmission up to it, and then, yeah, we're pretty much at a standstill until Junior gets back. He had to go take care of some personal stuff, so I'm just here at the house finishing it up for him. And yeah, I'd say we're getting pretty close. Just got to do that, and if he was here tonight, we'd probably be throwing this thing in. I might just make this a one-piece video of just the installation of assembling this whole motor. So, we'll see. Well, that's going to do it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you guys want to see more of this content. This is where we sit as of right now. Everything's all ready to go in terms of we can at least put the motor in the car and button up the rest of the stuff, such as fuel rail, plumbing, and all the other stuff as time goes on. Drop it down in the comments if you think Junior needs to stop slacking. See you guys in the next video.